A severe snowstorm caused havoc in Ukraine on Monday. This video from Ukrainian authorities shows what it was like out on the roads. Hundreds of cars and trucks were stuck in snowdrifts, some over 6 feet high, the government said in a social media post. Hundreds of settlements were without power and more than a dozen roads were closed. According to the emergency services, more than 1,200 rescue workers are managing the cleanup effort. The south and central parts of the country were the worst hit, according to Ukraine's interior minister. But as residents dig out, tens of thousands of troops remain in frontline positions in the war with Russia. Polled by Reuters, Kyiv residents said the harsh winter did not bother them much.
It's just regular weather. What's more important is keeping the boys warm in the trenches. We will survive it here.
I start crying when I think about soldiers. It is hard to imagine what it feels like there. These are very heavy thoughts.
The storm is also renewing fears that Moscow could target Ukraine's power grid this winter. Kyiv says Russia has attacked infrastructure 60 times in the past few weeks. On Sunday, President Volodymyr Zelensky thanked Ukraine's military for fighting Russian attacks and its rescue services for tackling extreme weather. In Russian-held Crimea, officials said nearly 500,000 people were without power. Russian-installed authorities declared a state of emergency Monday and reported that 1 person died, 10 were injured, and hundreds evacuated.
Катастрофа, конечно, серьезнейшего масштаба. Это даже не городского, а считай государственного, потому что осталось порядка 150-200 человек, жителей нашего поселка.
Да, конечно, да. Она была выше в 2 раза девятиэтажка. Ну, вы посчитайте, девятиэтажка.